Oh my goodness. Let's get into this one. Grilled cheese, mayonnaise, or batter? That's what we're going to find out on this show today, folks. Smash that like button. Alright, so right here we go. I got Duke's mayonnaise. That first time I had that was Bill Gowdy, camping out with him. And I got some salted butter. Alright, we'll go with this real quick. We're using the Blackstone Adventure Ready today, and I will make them a side by side. We'll see how long each one of them takes. Do they take the same amount of time? Does one take a little longer? We are going to cover it. Squirt it with a little butter. This is Buddy. This is where I get my water from. And what the water's going to do after the lid's on it, it's going to steam a little bit and it's just going to melt that cheese. You want to stay tuned for this one now, don't you? It's Papa, Texas. Papa's Kitchen. Yeah. Let's go on over to the Blackstone. Alright, the Blackstone Adventure Ready is heating up. I love this thing. You got your Blackstone flat griddle, and then you got your air fryer. Yeah. Alright, so what we're going to do at this point is I'm going to cut just that angle off, and that'll be on the butter, okay? Therefore, we don't get them mixed up. I don't know. I would think we can tell what's what. I don't know. So let me get the Duke's Mayo, mayonnaise or mayonnaise, I don't know, on the tops of these. Go, buddy, go. And we'll get the butter on this one, and I'll meet you at the grill. These two here are my butter, and these two are my mayonnaise. So I'm going to do, I do not have it on high yet. How do we do that? Actually, I'm going to turn that one around so we can go. Alright, hear them sizzling. We'll let them go for a little bit. So I will tell you this, I did mean to turn the heat up a little bit. Before I started, as you can see, I don't know if you can see that or not, the butter, she's steaming. The mayo is not. They are right over the burners. At this point in time, we will put the cheese on them. I'm going to put this one on that edge. And put this one on, put this one on that edge. The same one, or same thing with the butter ones. Let's take a gander. Woo! Let's check. Now these babies need to come over a little bit. These are browning up a little bit more underneath, and I can hear this one sizzling. Yeah. Alright, at this point, I'm going to flip this on there. This is so. And, you know, I could have just put it all together at the beginning and then flipped it to get the opposite side, but this just speeds up the process. So now, that looks pretty good. They both look good. This one's a little crispier, probably buttery tasting. Let's hit it with some water. Again, this is Buddy. Hey, y'all. He's gonna go do his work. Melt that cheese, buddy. Whoo! Smash, smash, smash that like button for Papa. Anyway, there we go. Butter, mayonnaise. Let's try both of them. I love this. Butter and cheese all day long, man. All we need was some bacon on it, huh? I'm gonna make about 5 more here in just a minute, and this will tell me which one to use. Let me tell you about it. Hang on. All right, here they are. Do you know which one Papa preferred? Hit that bell. We're going with the butter. I got 5 more to make. Maybe 6. Thanks, buddy. We will see you on the next Papa Texas show. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. See ya. God bless.